Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to hide followers on TikTok. Open TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then in the top right corner you see three horizontal lines. This is menu, and then navigate to settings, and here find at the top privacy. Here scroll down. And we cannot directly hide your followers. Instead, we can only hide our following list, so people who I follow. So go here and select only you, so that no one could see my following list. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.